So long as I've started a video, maybe I'll try showing. This is Brad. This is the number 4 I've been talking about. I just put the new Hawk chip breaker on it. The blade had been Hawk for a while. You must have some more stable way to hold your camera phone than I do. Still really loving the cherry. I have a consistently, this shaving shows it well, heavier bite at the far end of my planing stroke. I mean, like, doesn't matter whether I'm using the vise, anywhere, edge, face. I'm trying to focus on having the contact at the beginning, but anyway. Yeah, six or 7 strokes worth behind from a material removal, assuming it was flat to begin with, which I think it was pretty flat between one end and the other. I also very consistently put a camber on the vise side. Which is some technique I've got to keep working on.